How's it going, everyone? My name is Josh. I am Corrado Kid 90 on YouTube, and this is Corrado Garage. It's been a bit since I made a video, so I thought I'd get one out there. Got a couple more parts in the mail and just put a couple more parts on order last night, so let's check out what I got. Okay guys, so here's what I got. I've got a set of parrot nose pliers to help with the last two nuts that are being stubborn and will not come off of my exhaust manifold. I got a soldering gun. This is for if I ever need to solder some new wires. I'm gonna have projects down the road that's gonna end up requiring this. Plus I have a couple home projects that I needed this for. And then I have a mini torch to help with those two stubborn nuts as well. And then I also got a radiator flange, top radiator flange from Von Brenner Motorsport. I've been looking for one of these for a very long time actually. Mine's been cracked forever. It's a famous problem with the Corrado. And then I also got some performance spark plug wires. So hopefully that'll, they look cool. They're black and red, keeping with the theme and color scheme of the car. Just wanted to give you a quick state of the Corrado. She's dirty again. It is nice having a clean garage, though. I just swept. It's nice having a organized toolbox. Still haven't shown off all of the toolbox features. Pretty nice. Holds a lot of stuff. I'm definitely loving this. This is what I call the big boy drawer right here. Got all the fun stuff. Down here too. So yeah, I'm loving this thing. So let's get to it, guys. Let's get to draining this antifreeze and putting those spark plug wires on and putting that top radiator flange on. So I just wanted to say that I left that last part in, guys, because I just wanted to show you how long it takes to get one shot set up. I mean, you know, that was like a little over a 2-minute clip, and that's just me rolling under the car trying to get the camera set up, basically. And I know, you know, I don't exactly have the best equipment right now. I do need better equipment, but I just wanted to kind of leave it in actual time and show you, you know, how long sometimes it takes just to get, you know, a shot set up. So I'm gonna continue with everything. I've had this draining for a good while now. I went and ate dinner. Thank you, Wendy, for making me dinner. It was delicious, baby. So I'm gonna get back to it. So let's get to it, guys. it's 8:30 at night and I gotta work on a Sunday tomorrow, so I'm gonna call this video kind of a bust, actually. I didn't get that flange off. I do not know why it's not coming off. The 2 bolts are spinning and spinning, but that thing is not coming off there, so I'm gonna have to have at that again. I might just end up pulling the whole motor and buying a new radiator. They sell a steel radiator for it that has a steel flange on top, so I don't know. That might have to happen, even though I didn't really want to buy a whole new radiator, because they're not exactly cheap. So, and a lot of work. So, but, as always, guys, please like and subscribe. I'd love to see any comment, ask me a question, say what's up. I don't care. I mean, comments, likes, and subscriptions help me out the most. So please, 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 if you could, hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button for me. Leave a comment. Just say, hey, Josh, what's up? You know, anything. As always, you guys have a good one and be safe out there. I'll see you next time.